Alright, what's up sa inyo guys? This is Wakapage again at nandito na naman tayo ngayon para sa panibago nating gameplay at ngayon guys, lalaroin na natin ang Red Redemption Mobile by Netflix. Yes guys, sa mobile nito malalaro at offline game po itong game na to. Kaya guys, mag-enjoy kayo dito kahit wala kayong internet connection. Yes, and alam nyo ba, nagawa to ng Rockstar kaya maraming nag-aabang dito sa game na to. But anyway guys, itong game na to is libre nyo lang po mada-download. Pero kailangan nyo nga lang ng account sa Netflix para malaro nyo itong Red Redemption na to. Okay, but anyway, yung link neto guys, ilalagay ko sa description ng video na to at ang total size neto nasa 10 gig. Kaya kung i-download nyo is i-download nyo na. And wag na natin patagalin pa, i-start na natin to. Let's go! And normal lang tayo ngayon dito guys. Ayan, potek-tek subtitle, yes. So imagine nyo, dati yung nalalaro sa PS3, PS4, PS5 or computer game, ngayon is nasa mobile na. Ayan. So bali guys, nalaro ko na rin tong Red Redemption 2 sa computer nga lang. At medyo nakalayo na ako doon pero tinigil ko ng paglalaro. Pero this time guys, Red Redemption 1, di ko pa ito nalalaro. Pero first time ko siya malaro dito sa ating mobile. So let's go. Let's see. Anong meron dito? Ayun o. Talagang ang ganda ng konsepto ng larong to. So open world po ito guys. At saka yung story neto talagang makaluma. Ayan, para kang binalik sa mga kapanahunan ng ating mga ninuno. So hindi naman yung mga ninuno na dinosaur guys ha. So yung mga sinaunang panahon, okay? Oh. Utik-itik, si Arthur Morgan ba to? So di ko na kasi alam guys yung story sa sa Red Redemption 1. Red Redemption 2 kaagad ako nung naglaro ako sa computer. Red Redemption 2. Ngayon Red Redemption 1. Ewan ko kung si Arthur Morgan pa yan guys. Pero Rockstar Game present the legendary Rockstar. Okay, ang inaabangan ng lahat ng gamer, Rockstar Games. Ano? Grabe. Mga siga ng, ewan ko saang lugar to. And, parang nahuli yata siya dito. Rockstar San Diego Production. Blackwater Station. Mukhang ita-transport yata tayo dito. Di ko alam kung sino yung mga kasama niya, sheriff ba or ewan. Red Redemption, the 1 version. Or the number 1 Red Redemption guys. Yung Red Redemption 2 mas upgraded yon, yung mga physics, yung animation, okay, kapag naglalakad ka sa snow. Alright, and graphics mas na-upgrade doon. Pero ito guys, sa mobile nalalaro na natin yung version 1 niya. Kaya ito muna ang unahin natin dito ngayon. So siguro ang plano ko, unahin ko munang laruin to and then proceed na ulit ako sa Red Redemption 2. Okay.
Civilization to this savage land.
I could not agree with you more, my dear. My daddy settled this land, and I know he'll be looking down on us, pleased at how we help the natives.
Yes, they've lost their land, but they've gained access to heaven.
Ooh.
But Father, do you mean unless an innocent receives communion, they're destined to go to hell? It hardly seems fair.
What I mean to say, Jenny, is that there is a great deal of difference between an innocent and a savage.
I never thought of it that way.
Yes, they lived like animals, but they're happier now.
Hindi niya na alam kung sino papakinggan niya. Ayan.
Not only do people now have motor cars, Father, but I heard that pretty soon we will be able to fly.
Advance pag-isip to
Angels
Can fly, ha?
No.
More on scientific yung isa naman more on biblical.
Out in Kansas, a man even got a car to fly.
I hardly think so, Jenny.
Apparently, Mr. Johns wants to run for governor, which is why he's so concerned with cleaning up the state.
Nate Johns.
Yes.
His family is nothing but hillbilly trash that came here after the war. I don't want to be judgmental, but this state should not be ruled by such a disgusting family. A family without class.
Apparently. The Johns family have made a lot of money, and he has a lot of friends in politics.
Dami nang
Mrs.
nakuhang
Bush,
information na itong
money
character na to.
isn't everything. There are many things that money cannot buy.
It seems that money can buy voters, though.
Pero ngayon, sa generation natin ngayon, ang pera nakakabili ng boto.
What you must remember, my dear, is that we have been brought here to spread the word. And the word and civilization, they are the same thing. They are the gifts. It is
Uy,
the
sino tong babaeng to?
opportunity we
Parang
have, the
character din
chance
to, ah.
live among people who are decent and who do not kill each other.
Pero parang main character dito guys, yung nakasombrero na yon, yung may scar yata sa balbas.
It's so confusing, Father. Sometimes I find it impossible to make the distinction between a loving act and a hateful one. I mean, they often seem to be the same thing.
Yes, Jenny, it is confusing. But you only have to ask me if you need help.
Indeed.
Well, here we are, Mrs. Bush. Armadillo.
Uy, Armadillo Station. Grabe yung mukha niya, galit na galit. Ewan ko si Arthur Morgan pa to guys. Kasi di ko talaga alam yung kahit konting information lang about sa Red Redemption na part 1 or version 1. Okay, and here we go guys. As you can see, the controls talagang built-in na po ito. Hindi na po ito emulator na Red Dead Redemption game, which is official na po ito na Red Dead Redemption. Bali guys, yung official pala nito is may bayad na 2,000 mahigit. Pero itong ginagamit natin or nilalaro natin, which is naka Netflix tayo ngayon dito. Okay? Pero as same pa rin naman sa main version. Kaso nga lang pag Netflix, kailangan nyo ng account sa Netflix and dapat naka monthly subscription po kayo dun guys. Alright? So, depende na sa inyo. And yung nilagay kong link sa description is libre nyo pong madadownload to. Pero kailangan nyo nga lang ng Netflix account para malaro. Okay? Pasensya na guys, bawal kasi tayo mag-share ng mga Netflix account dito. Pero kung gusto nyo malaro to ng all-in libre is kayo nang bahala magsaliksik or mag-search. Marami namang mga ano sa Google eh. Pero bawal yun guys, okay? Kayo nang bahala. So hindi ko na lang ilalagay yung link. But anyway, here we go. Ooh, hindi siya 60 FPS sa akin. Let's try. Try natin yung settings ngayon nito. Okay, so okay natin. Graphics, display. Okay, wala yung graphics dito guys, no? Okay, pero i-gameplay muna natin. Let's go. Oh, wow. Unti-unti nang nag-upgrade ang mga game sa mobile. Ayan. Yung mga dating nalalaro nyo sa computer, pwede nyo lalaruin. Kahit nakahiga kayo, ayan. So anyway, ito na nga. Babasa ng Chario. Tignan natin. Okay, wala. Wala siyang effect. No effect. Ayan. Pero ayan, umakit na siya. So baba na tayo ngayon dito guys. Armadillo Station. And meron tayong pupuntahan ngayon doon. Kulay yellow. Kabayo ba yan? Okay. Pupuntahan ba natin yung kabayo? Pero hindi yata. Dito yata guys. Saloon, okay? Mga ano to, inuman, ganon. Party. Bilihan. Martson. Hindi nga siya si ano, si Morgan yata. Yung mga babae oh.
You must be John Marston.
Sometimes.
Hindi siya si Arthur Morgan.
Friends from Blackwater hired me to guide you.
They ain't my friends, but pleased to meet you, Jake.
So wala na yata si Arthur Morgan dito guys sa version 1. Or wala pa siya dito. Grabe nagpapiano. Batak eh. Nag-grind siguro yon. Follow Jake to the horses. Di talaga ako makapaniwala guys oh. Version 1 pa lang ng Red Dead Redemption to ha. Pero kita nyo naman, grabing matanda to. Mahina ka na boy. Huwag ka na sumama sa mga misyon. Kita nyo naman guys, ang ganda ng graphics quality niya kahit na medyo matagal lang na-release tong game na to. Kahit sa PS3 nyo to malalaro dati, ayan, maganda pa rin. So parang binabalik kayo sa pagkabata nyo kung nilalaro man siya ngayon na matanda na kayo, okay? So ayan, sakay na tayo. Paano ba? Mount your horse. Ito, nice. Ang ganda nung mga icons nung ano niya. Mga buttons. Talagang designed for this game na. Yung iba kasi emulator game oh. Okay, ngayon design na talaga yung mga buttons niya. Alright, so takbo. Paano ba tumakbo dito? Putik-tik. Talon yan eh. Ito ba? Ito. Okay. Paano? Putik pa-stop yun eh. Ito yata. Ay, tumakbo eh. Ito, talon. Hold to slow. Hold down to slow. So, yung ko ano yung takbo dito guys. Pero ito na nga. Umpisa na natin ang ating mission. Saan tayo pupunta, bossing?
So it's Fort Mercy you want to visit?
Okay.
That's right. Ain't
Okay, sige.
to the fort in a long time.
Ayan. Pindutin nyo lang yun guys and then imamatch nyo yung speed doon sa sinusundan nyo.
You don't mind, Miss Van.
Who said I was a
Okay.
decent fella?
When galloping, you can get a short burst of extra speed by tapping.
Folks say it was built during the Mexican
Ayan.
War.
Kapag tinatap nyo siya, mas bibilis kayo ng konti. Astig. Now I know.
I ain't entirely sure.
Hey man.
I heard they had
Let's
to
go.
up north to fight Indians, or maybe they got tired of being
Ayan.
soldiers and went looking for gold. You know how things is.
Two crows. Ay, two crows pala.
Looking for an old
Crows.
friend.
Well, like I said,
Go, come here. Tagal mo ah. Return to Jake.
park these days. Slow down, Mr. Marston. I'll get you to Fort Mercer quick as I can.
Saan ba tayo pupunta, Jake? Siguro titrain tayo na ito paano bumaril. Pero mukha namang professional gun na tong ano eh. Professional killer na tong ating character eh.
Spending any time in Armadillo, Mr. Marston?
I doubt it. I ain't planning on staying very long.
Well, if you're fixing for some...
Sana ma-adjust natin yung graphics na ito kaso wala dito guys eh. Wala sa option no. Ayan, display, wala eh. Ito lang yung graphics niya dito. Resolution, scaling, and motion blur. Wala na. Siguro nasa main ano niya nga to, main menu mismo.
Female
Let's go.
company, you can do a lot worse than Armadillo. Fine as cream gravy they are. Not like Thieves Landing. Dang, those girls ain't even fit for a drinking man to hold up with.
I'm a married man, I'm afraid.
Pero kung gusto nyo, kung natapos nyo man to guys, try nyo laruin yung Red Redemption 2. Grabe, maganda yon. Promise. Yun yung inuna kong nilaro. Talagang ang ganda. Naaalik ako doon po, tigatek. Tsaka yung mga mission niya, ang ganda ng mga detail ng story. Return to Jake. Ang bagal mo naman, Jake.
We're never gonna get to the fort if you keep riding off like that. Yeah.
Please.
So it was the
Pwede naman kasi shortcut, dumadaan ka pa sa main road eh. Ano, shortcut oh.
I think I heard his name.
Mindset.
Got a telegram from some Blackwater big bugs asking for a guide.
Saan dito? Dalawa yung dadaanan eh. Saan ka dadaan? Ay, puti ka, dyan ka pala. Ito yung maganda dito guys, talagang open world po. Yung mapa niya, kita nyo naman oh, luwang. Maluwang din yung mapa sa Red Redemption 2. Pero dito maluwang. At saka maganda dito, pwede kayo dito mag-hunt ng mga animals. Ayan, na pwede yung ibenta yung mga skins, ganun. Yung mga balat nila no, so babalatan nyo yung animals gaya ng bear, kukunin nyo yung balat ng bear at pwede yung ibenta yun, gagawing jacket, ganun. So, maraming pwedeng gawin. Mag-hunt kayo dito mga side missions, side quests. Marami dito yon for sure. Kasi sa Red Dead Redemption 2, maraming side quest doon. Yung imagine, naglalakad ka pa lang, pero ang dami ng pinapagawa sa'yo nung game. Okay. Oh, ano to? Fort Mercer. Kulungan ba to?
Listen, mister. This here is what's left of Fort Mercer. Some gang rode in and took the place over.
So I understand.
This is where we part ways, friend. You have yourself a good time.
Putik na matanda to. Iniwan na tayo. Goodbye, my friend. So kayan guys, baba na tayo dito. At meron ng mission na ipapagawa sa atin. Okay, let's go. Ano meron dito? Napakatahimik. Tunog ng hibon no, ibon, saka wind ang naririnig ko. Ayan. Bill!
Bill, I've come for you.
Meron ding Bill doon sa ano guys, sa Red Dead Redemption 2.
Bill Williamson.
Pero di ko alam apelyido, nakalimutan ko na. Basta may Bill din doon eh.
Go away now, John. Don't make me kill you.
Nobody needs to kill anyone, Bill.
Nako.
You must think I was born yesterday. You always did think I was an idiot.
That ain't fair, Bill. You were as my brother. I've come to try to save you.
Dalawa. Tatlo.
Do I look like I need saving?
Bill, please. They want to kill us all. I can help you.
Well, you never tried to save me before. You only seemed to save yourself.
Bill, I implore you think about this.
Pero yung mukha niya guys, di ko na mamukha yung mga mukha dun sa Red Dead Redemption. Bukod kay Arthur Morgan.
You always were one for fancy words.
Wala. Parang wala to dun. Pero may building na pangalan dun eh. Sa Red Dead Redemption yata.
Now,
2.
John. Now I'm in charge.
Siya na pala yung charge dito.
No more Dutch.
Ayun, Dutch.
And no more you.
Dutch. Leader yon dati. Leader namin dati yon sa Red Dead Redemption 2. Dutch. Nandun pa rin pala si Dutch. Mula sa 1 pala. Pero si Arthur Morgan, hindi ko alam.
Just a little bit more impressive next time.
Or siya to.
Well,
Siya ba to? Si John Morgan. Ayun na, sa bayang pagbigkas.
Poor John.
Or John Morgan or Arthur Morgan yun eh. Pero nabaril. Gag. Hinintay na lang siya ng uwak na mamatay at kakainin na siya ng tuluyan. Pero kapag di pa lumalapit yan, ibining buhay pa yan. May nakakita na manlalakbay sa kanyang katawan. Ayan. May mga ganyan talaga eh sa mga story, yung naglalakbay sila tapos may makitang ano. Tapos minsan yung ginagamot nila, yun yung main character ng larong nilalaro. Ayan. Or ng movie na pinapanood. Kaya malaki ang ambag ng mga random players na naglalakbay. Ayan, nakita nyo, di ba? Ginamot. At saka mabubuhay. Ayun, yung nasa train station or train.
so it would seem...
Sabi na nga ba eh, main character din siya eh.
I don't know the polite word for it.
I do. Stupid is the word we use around here. What were you doing?
I was doing something stupid.
Well, you'll be okay. Once you didn't die, the doctor said you'd be fine. He got the bullets out a couple days ago.
Ah, nako, matagal na siyang nakaidlip.
$15.
$15, ang mahal na nun dati ha.
I'm sorry, madam. Should have left me there to die.
Did you want to die? I mean, was that it? Was that why you went straight out to Fort Mercer and picked a fight with the worst bandit in the county? To die, Mr.
Marston. Ah, hindi kasi si Arthur Neri. Arthur Morgan pala, hindi Arthur Neri.
Bonnie McFarlane.
Bonnie Mac. Naku, laruin ko nga to, pero hindi sa mobile. Siguro laruin ko to sa computer ko.
So what were you
Kasi mas
doing?
komportable ako eh, tsaka mas smooth yung run ng computer eh, kapag nilalaro nyo mga ganitong klase ng laro.
You know Bill
Dito kasi nalalabuan ako sa
Long time ago.
resolution niya eh, kahit naka-max na yung resolution.
Dumb.
Just like you.
Like yun.
Thank you, miss.
Nako, nasan yung hat
See
mo?
my hat?
I have.
Yun.
And what will you do now?
Maganda yata yung story na ito.
Now I'm gonna take my time and go after him the less kind way.
Well, that sounds very fun, Mr. Marston. Quite heroic, just like in those penny dreadfuls my brother used to read. Meanwhile, if you'll excuse me, I've got a ranch to run. Of course, if you're feeling better, why not take a ride with me later? Help me patrol the perimeter. You can earn back some of that money we wasted on doctor's bills.
Of course. And thank you for saving my life, I mean.
Next time, Mr. Marston, I strongly recommend you don't try to lose it quite so earnestly.
I'll bear that in mind.
Alright guys. At dito na mag-uumpisa. Ayan na. Ayan. Kanina free roam na guys. Ngayon mas free roam. Kahit saan na kayo pwede pumunta dito guys. Grabe yung bansa or yung design ng laro. Talagang lakas mga province no. Pero ito ngayon, siguro itong kinakatayuan na itong character na to, sa year nating 2025, is modern na to or napakalaki ng mga structures. Baka may mga building na rin to sa inaharap kung sakali, no? Kunwari sa totoong buhay. Kasi ganito talaga eh. Parang syudad na nga to eh. Kasi may mga ganyan, no? General store. Siguro parang ano na to ngayon. SM na to. Okay? Supermarket na siya ngayon. SM Mega Mall. So, but now guys, ganyan pala siya kaliit. Tsaka yung $15, napakalaki sigurong pera nun dati. Pero ngayon, $15, nasa ano yun eh, 700. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Pero nasaan yung ating kabayo? Maglalakad ba tayo? Tingnan natin guys mga NPC. Mga random players. Pwede ba kausapin? Sa Red Dead, pwedeng kausapin eh. At saka suntukin. Ako. Uy, gago. Huwag yung gagawin yun guys, lalo na kapag baguhan pa lang kayo. Let's go! Dito na tayo. Nasaan na yung ating kabayo? Join Bonnie. Kailangan yata natin maglakad. Hindi niya walang thrill yung story. Hindi pwedeng sakyan, no? Oh, putik-tik, sipahin pa tayo niyan. Yun, no? Talagang pangbarilan. Pero mas prepare ko talaga laruin to sa computer. Pero depende sa inyo kung wala kayong computer. Ito, pwede rin dito guys. Hello madam. Ganda ni madam oh. Ganda talaga nung vibe na itong ano na to, lugar na to. Lakas maka nostalgic oh. Mga probinsya. Or siguro city na nila to ngayon eh. Pero yung design niya talagang maka-old. Okay, walang cellphone, walang kuryente. Pero may kuryente na pala dito. Siguro year ano to? 19,000. Ayan, 19,000 siguro to. Or 18s. 18s, no? Siyempre, kaya ko pa yan, madam. Hindi kita papahiya. Kung ba karera tayo? Sige, ma'am. Let's go. Bagal mo naman. Titik na tulay yan. Walang tubig. Tagtuyot ngayon, ah. Ay, doon pala siya pumunta. Binibilisan ko. Tagal mo naman eh. So, ganito lang tayo kabilis. Bahala ka. Diyan kayo pwede makabili ng bala, pagkain. Pero sa Red Dead Redemption 2, upgraded na rin yan. Pero talagang ano pa lang siya, mukhang ano pa lang din, 90s. Come on, miss.
This is our horse corral. Paul's very proud of it.
I can see why.
You should watch us break the Broncos sometime. I'm sure a city man would find it fascinating.
Yung background music niya eh. Lakas mga cowboy eh. Yan, tinutur tayo guys na itong babaeng to dito sa lugar na to. Diba?
That must have its advantages.
You'd think, but the railway's done more harm to us than good.
Diyan kita unang nakita, miss. Sa cutscenes.
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Masakit pa yung sugat ni ano, itong karakter natin, si John.
Oh, there.
Saan ba tayo pupunta? Masyado ng mga puno, astig. Siguro mabuhay ulit sa gantong ano, no? Panahon, wala pang cellphone. Kaya pa walang Facebook.
Survived many a harsh winter that has.
Umikot lang tayo eh.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Why don't we relax a minute before we head back out?
Na-enjoy ko yung tour. Okay, ngayon, baba na tayo guys. Itatali natin yung kabayo natin, sorry. Goodbye, madam. Parking, no? Mga sinaunang parking. Ayan, no? Hitch.
Come on, this is the only chance you're gonna get to rest.
Oh, ito pala yung bahay mo. Ang laki.
How about a cold drink, Mr. Marston?
Putik-tik baka mag-kiss kayo dito ha.
Shot, then riding a horse seems to take it out of you. I could use a rest.
Sure. Come on in. I'll show you the house and then you can sit for a while.
Mag-isa mo lang ba dito, madam?
Mr. Marston,
Nagabihan na siya.
McFarland.
remember me telling you about the trouble we've been having with rustlers and other undesirables?
I do.
Will you help me keep watch on the property line this evening?
Sure.
I want to see just who is trespassing on our land.
This is a fine weapon.
Come, let's head out. The country is really beautiful at around this time.
Nice. Mukhang magkakabarilan na dito.
Best get
At ito guys,
This is a dangerous time
the
to
night
for
mode.
us.
Ooh. Putik-tik. Kita nyo guys, wala pang ano ngayon ha. Wala pa ganong ano sa panahon nila. Light pollution. Kaya kitang-kita nyo guys yung mga between. Okay? Mga tala sa kalangitan. Kapag gabi. Napakagandang view. Dahil wala pang light population dati. Ngayon, napakarami na sa city. Malabo nyo nang makita yung mga star. Or kung makita nyo man, ilan na lang. Hindi ganyan kadami. Pero ganyan pa rin kadami naman yung mga star ngayon. Kaso nga lang di lang nakikita yung iba dahil nga nasasapawan na ng light pollution.
I feel a lot happier now I got a rifle.
Well, with your trigger itch and my feminine intuition, we should make quite a team.
Come on, ma'am. Bagal mo naman. Saan mo ba ako pupunta? Bagal eh. Tsaka kita nyo guys, oh, yung nagpapaliwanag lang paggabi sa kanila. Mga ilaw na lampara tapos ano, yung moon, ilaw sa moon, okay? Dismount your horse. Get rid rabbits. Oh, tik-tik. Di marunong tumira, no? Sapul. Okay. Sanayan lang guys. Di ko pa sanay yung ano dito eh. Kaya mabagal pa tayo tumira. Pero pag sa computer to, naka-mouse tayo, mas madali. Dilim. Yun. Last one or last two? Last one. Wala na.
Thank you, Mr. Marston. Looks like we'll be having rabbit stew tomorrow.
Mga peste pala yung rabbit dati, no?
Check out the rest of the ranch.
May check pa tayo.
We should keep moving. There's still a ways to go.
Let's go. Ano to? Training?
If it's not the rustlers stealing our cattle, it's the rabbits stealing our crops.
It ain't never easy living off the land like this. Maybe you should move to a big city. Become a lady of leisure.
Look out! Coyotes! Shoot them before they get to the
Coyotes! Para mga aso to eh. Parang mga hyena. Yun oh. Background music boy. Ang ganda. Saan na yun? Ayun oh. Ang bagal oh. Putik-tik suyot.
Nice shot!
Tawas. Kung sa Ilocano, tawas no. Yung anong tawag doon, hindi natira. Nice shot. Dead eye. Using drain. Ayan, meron din dead eye sa ano eh. Sa Red Dead 2. Which is kapag pinindot nyo yon, parang mag-highlight yan. Ayan, slow motion pala, sorry. Nakalimutan ko na kasi. Last laro ko noon, 2024 pa eh. Last year. Yun po. Pero nadidrain yung dead eye, no? Minsan nga may iniinom pa eh. Saan yun? Ayun, ayun. Dami, dami. Wala, putik-tik sumugod. Tinatakbo niya, may kinakagat siya eh. Manok! Manok, ayun o, manok! Kaya pala peste sila. Kinakain nila yung mga manok. Kung meron pa, ayun o. Alis ka dyan, madam, matamaan kita. Medyo di pa natin sanay guys yung controls dito. So kailangan na natin tapusin tong animal na to. Sapul. Reloading. Stig. So, pero guys, this time siguro hanggang dito muna tong gameplay natin. And maraming salamat sa inyo. This is Waka Peach again. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa next nating video. Pero ayun nga, tulad nga na sinabi ko guys, itong game na to is libre nyo lang mada-download. Pero kailangan nyo ng Netflix account kung gusto nyo malaro. So anyway, in short, may bayad pa rin. Okay? So anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo. This is Waka Peach again. Kita sa ulit sa next video. And I hope nagustuhan nyo itong gameplay natin ngayon dito sa ating Red Dead Redemption Mobile. Ayan, by Netflix. And goodbye. Alright, ulitin ko, nasa description po yung link ng game na to. Alright.